In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate your workflow in Smartsheet. Duplicating a workflow is really handy when you already have an automation that works well and you want to reuse it without rebuilding everything from scratch. Maybe you've set up a great notification flow or a reminder system that fits one project perfectly, and now you want the same thing for another sheet or a slightly different scenario. Instead of starting over, you can copy what you already have and then make small tweaks. First, open the Smartsheet where your existing workflow lives. Make sure you're on the correct sheet, because the automation you're about to duplicate is specific to that sheet. Once you're there, look toward the top of your screen for the menu bar and find the option labeled Automation. Go ahead and click on Automation. This is where all of your automated workflows for that sheet are managed. After you've opened the automation menu, you'll see several options. What you want here is the one that says Manage Automation Workflows. Click on Manage Automation Workflows to open the full list of automations associated with this sheet. This brings up a panel or window that shows each workflow by name, along with its status and a few quick details. Take a moment to find the specific workflow you want to duplicate. It helps to name your workflows clearly so you can recognize them at a glance. Once you've located it, move your cursor to the right side of that workflows row. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the options available for that particular workflow. In the options menu that appears, look for the action labeled Duplicate and click on it. As soon as you do this, Smartsheet will create a copy of your selected workflow. The duplicated version usually appears with a similar name, often with the word copy added, so it's easy to distinguish from the original. At this point, your workflow has been successfully duplicated. You can now open the new copy, review all of the triggers, conditions, and actions, and adjust anything you need, such as the sheet fields, recipients, or timing. This approach saves time, keeps your automations consistent, and reduces the chance of missing a crucial step when building new workflows.